Hello everyone. In this video, I'll talk about AWS Secrets Manager Agent and how you can use a Secrets Manager Agent to cache your secrets. My name is Azad Pinjiev and I'm a Technical Account Manager at AWS. I'll also do a brief demo about AWS Secrets Manager Agent installation and how you can use it on EC2 instance. The AWS Secrets Manager Agent is a client-side HTTP service that helps you standardize how you consume secrets from Secrets Manager across your compute environments. These are the following examples that you can use Secrets Manager Agent with. You can use it from AWS Lambda, with Amazon ECS, with EKS, with EC2, or you can use it on your on-premise servers. The Secrets Manager Agent retrieves and caches secrets in memory, allowing your applications to get secrets from local hosts instead of making direct calls to Secrets Manager. The Secrets Manager Agent can only read secrets, it cannot modify them. The Secrets Manager Agent uses in-memory cache that resets when the Secrets Manager Agent restarts. It periodically refreshes cache secret values based on the following: the default refresh frequency, TTL, which is by default 300 seconds, which you can modify using a configuration file. The refresh occurs when you request a secret after the TTL expires. The Secrets Manager Agent returns secret values in the same format as a response of getSecretValue API calls. In a situation where you rotate the secret and your cache is not expired, then you can use refreshNow parameter to force immediate refresh of the secret. This will update the agent cache with the latest secret and reset the TTL. Secrets Manager Agent uses AWS credentials from your environment. You need to ensure that you have the proper IAM permissions in place for the agent to make calls to AWS Secrets Manager from the host it's running on. You can configure the Secrets Manager Agent. You can change the configuration by creating a TOML config file with required configurations options. Some of the configurations options: HTTP port, by default it is set to 2773, but you can change it if needed. Another one is TTL seconds. By default, it is set to 300 seconds, but it can be as high as 1 hour. Another example of configuration option is cache size. By default, it is set to 1000, which is the highest value, but you can reduce it to whatever number you want based on the cache size you need. Another one is maxCon, which is the maximum number of connections from HTTP clients that Secrets Manager Agent allows. It has a range of 1 to 1000 and default value is 800. You can control the memory agent uses by changing cache size and maxCon configuration options. And if you don't want the agent to take up a lot of memory on the host, then you can set lower limits for these two configurations. You can locally log errors to logs Secrets Manager agent.log or to standard out or standard error depending on the log to file config variable. Starting with the version 2.0.0, the agent by default uses the post-quantum MLKEM key exchange as the highest priority key exchange for future-proof security. Secrets Manager Agent provides protection against server-side request forgery, SSRF, to help with improved secret security. SSRF token is created during the installation of the agent. To help protect the Secrets Manager Agent, you must include SSRF token header as part of each request. The Secrets Manager Agent will deny any requests that don't have this header or has an invalid SSRF token. Secrets Manager Agent is one of the most lightweight agents in the industry. Please see AWS Secrets Manager Agent documentation for additional configuration and feature details. In the demo section of this video, I'll briefly walk you over the installation of the agent and how you can use it on EC2 instance. I'll also show you how to use the refreshNow parameter when you update your secrets in the Secrets Manager. Please note that the demo is based on the version 2.0.0 of AWS Secrets Manager Agent, which was released on May 16th of 2025. Okay, so I have an AWS Secrets Manager agent created in my account in US East 1, and the secret value is something, for example, a new password and some special characters. And also, I do have the right IAM permissions in place, so I can attach this to my EC2 instance in my use case. And this is my custom managed policy. Basically, this is allowing me to get the secret value or describe the secret of that particular secret that I have in place in the Secrets Manager in my case. Okay, so this is attached to the instance that I have right here, Secrets Manager Agent demo role, and I am already SSH into this EC2 instance. And what I have done on this instance, this is a brand new instance. What I have done is I have installed development tools, and also I have installed the Rust on this EC2 instance. Okay, so now the next step that I need to do in this EC2 instance is to install Git. So let's go ahead and install the Git first. And for that, I will use the command sudo yum install -y git. Okay. And once the Git is installed, so I do have it already installed. Now I'm just gonna clone the repo for the Secrets Manager agent. And just look into that. I do have that the repo cloned into my working directory. So now we'll go into the directory. And next, what I need to do is I need to install and build the Secrets Manager agent from the code. And for that, I'll use the CLI command of cargo build -- release. And this is going to take me some time to finish it. So I'm going to be briefly pausing and come back when this is complete. Cargo Package Manager has finished compiling the AWS Secrets Manager agent, and the Secrets Manager agent version is version 2.0.0. And once this is complete, what I need to check is, actually, let's do ls here. And I can see that I have the AWS Secrets Manager agent and target folders in here. So this target and release directory has the AWS Secrets Manager agent binary. So I need to make sure that I copy this into the AWS Secrets Manager agent configuration directory. So let's go ahead and do that first. So for that, I'm going to use this copy command. Let me just copy and paste it over here. And I can just paste it here. Okay, so if I do this now, AWS Secrets Manager agent and configuration, I have that binary file in here as well. Okay, so now let's go into that directory first of all. So cd AWS Secrets Manager agent and configuration. And here I have the install script. So I have to run this install script, sudo bash install. Okay, and this is now complete. So this should have created SSRF token in the var run AWS SMA token, the file in there. So let's go ahead and check it first. So if I do ls, let's just use sudo ls var run AWS SMA token, and you can see that token is present. So I'll just for the course of this demo, I'll just copy this into a temporary folder and then change the ownership of that so I can run this. I use this token since I am EC2 user on this EC2 instance. Okay, and now I can just see also do the ownership change as well. All right. So now, if I do this, TMP AWS SMA token, it's in there. And now I can use the curl command to make a call to AWS Secrets Manager agent. Now, let's just go ahead and do that. So I'm going to copy the CLI command that I have already present, and I will just copy and paste it on my terminal. Okay, so as you can see in this curl command, I am passing in the SSRF token, and I am providing the secret ID from the Secrets Manager, and I'll just press enter. And you can see that I can see the value of my secret, the key value, the key is secret, and the value is new password and special character. So this is now working as expected. All right, so by default, now this is going to be present for the next 5 minutes. By default, it is valid for 300 seconds. But if I go ahead and change my secret here, so I'm going to be updating the secret. And instead of new password, I'll just say password and 123. And I'll just save this. All right, so if I go back on my terminal again, make the same curl command, I can still say that this is the previous password. So until the TTL expires, it's going to be still the same password. But using the refresh now parameter, I can now force immediate refresh of the agent cache that's running on my host. All right, so for that, I will use the following command. So let me just copy and paste the CLI command here. And this is the command that I have. And as you can see, I'm still passing the same SSRF token. And now I am using the refresh now parameter and setting it to true. All right, let's just run it. Okay, now you can see that secret is password 123. So this refresh now parameter now forced immediate refresh of the secret on the agent cache. And if I make the previous call of just the curl command to get the secret, you can see that now it is fetching the new secret. All right, so this wraps up the demo part of this video. Thank you for watching.